Good morning, class. Okay, we are going to do our second page in May. It's not the 2nd of May. It's actually May 5th, which is Cinco de Mayo, which Cinco in Spanish, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Cinco is 5. So let's go ahead and start tracing our May. So again, it's a capital letter because it's a name of the month. M. Two cool guys are hanging out. May. I don't think you'll have any problem spelling May. So again, we said it is Cinco de Mayo. So let's get our little calendar here. We'll put what the day is. We're hoping it's sunny. I'm hoping it's sunny. Okay, we'll put a little schoolhouse. We have Tuesday, May. Remember, this is just our placeholder. 5th, May 5th, Tuesday, May 5th. Okay, we're going to write a nice, neat 5 on our calendar. So down to the dotted line, put the belly on. It's just a little circle from the belly, and then put that gentleman 5's hat on. Very good. We're still in the same year. We're going to be here all the way through to December 31st, 2000. And then we'll go to 2021, but that's not for a while. Okay, 2020. Okay, so in our digital date, if you remember, April was what number? What number did we use? 4, that's right. So what's 4 plus 1? Because May is the month after April. So 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use the number 5 for May, January, February, March, April, May. So 5, and today's day is 5 as well. So it's 5, 5. And then for our year, remember, we use the last number. So 2020, we use the last 2 digits, which is 20. So 5, 5, 20. There you go. Very good. Okay, let me straighten my paper out. There were froggies hanging out with us up here. We have been in school for how many days? Let's find out. So we have our big base 10 block, and then we have our little green 10s. And then our 1s. We'll put our 1s on here. We're getting to some really big numbers. We've been in school for quite a while, huh? And pretty soon, summer's coming, and you're going to be big first graders. I can't believe it. And then Mrs. Duffield will cry. Then I can cry. Okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and count this. So let's count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we're counting still by 10, so let's count on 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Then we're going to count on from 150. So 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158. Whew, that's a big number. Okay, let's go ahead and put our number into our paper. 100, so 1, 50, 5, 8. It's like making an S for Silas or Samuel. We're going to bring it back up and around and connect it. And again, my numbers are the same size all the way across. So we've got our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. What number is in our hundreds place? What number? Yep, we have 100 and 158. How many tens do we have? Yep, it's another one of our gentleman 5s. We're writing a lot of those today. What number is in our ones place? Yeah, we have 8. Very good. Start with an S, bring it back up and around, makes a nice, neat 8, just like that. Okay, yesterday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was the first day of our week. Yesterday was Monday. Okay. Today is, what comes after Monday? Tuesday. Very good. And tomorrow will be What's tomorrow going to be? Wednesday. That's our long day of the week. That one's a long one. Okay, I'll pull this out again. I want to congratulate you on how nicely you're writing your days of the week. I'm seeing a really nice job with how you're writing those. So keep up the hard work. Keep up the good work. You're doing a good job. Okay, let's go ahead and write a capital T, because remember it's the name of the day of the week. So it starts with a capital letter, just like your name. T, U is saying its name, chew, and then our E is in there helping it. It's two friends go walking. The first one does the talking. S, chew, s, d. Our D is facing the S, and then our two cool guys are hanging out at the end there. A, Y, A, T, U, S, D, A. Tuesday. All right, we are in a fantastic season. Again, my favorite. You probably get tired of hearing me tell you it's my favorite. I'm going to do a nice, pretty light green little flower down here. You can do just one color. You can color the whole box, whatever you'd like to do. And then I'm going to come up here and I'll use this for the center. And I'm going to do some green little leaves. There we go. And color my stalk. So if you need to take this time to catch up, you can do that. Or you can, if you're right with me, that's fine too. Or you can pause the video, of course, if you ever need to. I'm going to do a little orange, and I'm going to just make a little pretty kind of daisy looking flower. You can see those out in, there we go. It's kind of hard to see on my camera, but that's okay. It's got a little peachy color with the white. It's really pretty with the green center. Okay, so now we're going to make our equations. Little froggy, let's come over here. We're learning about frogs this week. It's really fun. I hope you're giggling at my Metamorphosis song if I got that up. I've been working on it. It's a little embarrassing, but you can tell me if you like it or not, and then maybe you can learn the song and you can make a video for me and sing the song to me, and then we can have a lot of fun with it. Okay, so what number are we making? We're making 5, so it needs to equal 5. So again, I'm going to start with a subtraction problem, because munching flies is, we're doing subtraction this week. So I'm going to start with a bigger number. I'll start with 12. When you subtract down, you have to start larger than the number, because your number will go down to 5. If we're going to add, the number needs to equal 5, so it has to go up to 5. Subtracting, you're going to make a smaller number. Adding, you're going to make a larger number. Okay, so I'm going to start with 12, then minus, always write down what I'm doing so I remember. So 12 minus, we're going to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to do an addition problem. It'll start smaller, so I'm going to start with 1. I'll write it, plus, and then to what? To get to 5. So let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. You can do your own equation problems. Just make sure your mom's or your dad's check them. Okay, let's do another subtraction. I'm going to start with 15. We'll do a little bit bigger one. Minus, so let's find out how many to get down to 5. So my finger is covering the star on 15, and I'm going to go down to the next star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 minus 10 equals 5. There we go. Well, that was well done. That's all for our calendar for this week. I only have you doing the 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, for calendars. So we'll see you next week for our calendars, and of course for all the other lessons. I'll see you later. Thanks for joining me, class. It's Ribbit and me saying goodbye.